What's up, everybody? My name is Kier. This is my beautiful daughter, Booby. And today we are excited to be teaming with Men+Care to bring some awesome tips to some awesome dads so that y'all can be awesome. I'm sure there's a better word than that, but that's what we're going with today. Coming into fatherhood, I realized that I was suddenly facing a lot of judgment, and I'm going to be honest with y'all, a lot of that judgment was actually coming from me. I quickly discovered that my daughter doesn't need a perfect dad, she just needs a happy one. And she's off. Well, it looks like it's just us now, so let's get into it. Tip number one, acknowledge your own feelings and be kind to yourself. You know that feeling in the pit of your stomach that always seems to remind you that you're not that great of a father? Well, I've learned to ignore it, but not completely run away from it. Will everything that I do for and with her be ideal? No, but I have to remember, that doesn't mean that I'm not an incredible dad on an everyday basis. I have to remind myself of that a lot. Tip number two, make it work for you. I figured it out. It's not what I do for her as a parent that makes her smile. It's just the fact that we can spend some quality time together. They legitimately love us for us. And who does you better than you? Nobody. Nobody, that's who. Throw your entire personality into parenthood. Find some really fun, creative, and imaginative ways to sprinkle your little personal touches onto activities that your children already enjoy doing. My daughter and I, two completely different personalities, believe me. But one thing that we have in common is that we both love to freestyle. So we make music together. We make up songs about things that we see, things that we experience, and most importantly, things that we eat. We even have a cereal song that we sing every single morning. Boo Boo, you wanna sing the cereal song?
No.
Right in the heart. Just, they know how to do it every time. Finally, tip number three, lean on your dad game. Build yourself a tribe of homies, compadres, pals, amigos. Just find yourself a group of dad friends and deep breath. Be vulnerable, all right? I said it, be vulnerable. It's really important to share your frustration with a group of dad friends and be honest. You'll be surprised at how many of us have not only been there before, but we have some really great tips on how to get yourself out of that rut and manage. Fatherhood can be a tricky beast. It can leave you with a lot of feelings of guilt, a lot of feelings of regret, and a lot of feelings of self-consciousness. I personally spent a lot of time holding myself to the standard of sitcom fathers, and quite frankly, that's just not practical. But what I try to remind myself of each and every day is that I'm doing the absolute best I can, and her life is better because of that. It's work. It's work to do it, but I promise you, if you try it, you'll get better at it. Trust me, I am the imperfect parent. You're talking to an expert. Those are some of the strategies that I use to embrace imperfect parenting. But I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me some of the things that you do in order to feel more comfortable in this space. Until next time, be well. Say bye-bye, boo.
Bye.
Good job.